Just like that, y'all, it is sending that watch face directly to our Galaxy Watch 4, and that's pretty much it, man. That's all that really needs to be done with getting all of your watch faces onto your Galaxy Watch 4. All right, y'all, let's see what we got up in the fridge for today. What we drinking on, y'all? What we getting? Let's what's this? Apple dandelion. I don't know. I ain't never tried it, y'all, but we're gonna see what it's like. We're gonna see what that bad boy is like. And let's get to it. See, I switched up the set just a little bit. I added a couple drinks and some cool kicks. See, they be sinking ships, got some loose lips. And they can tell you now, you can kick the that's all I got. That's all I got, y'all. What up, y'all? What up? Welcome back, man. Welcome back to another Late Night Vibe episode here. I think we on episode 6. Episode 6, man, of us dropping these late night videos right here, man. So I appreciate each and every single one of y'all for sliding through, being a part of the late night crew, man. Make sure you guys comment right now down in the comment section. For you OGs out there, y'all already know the vibes. Comment down below how many likes is on this video. Also, I want y'all to comment right now, man. Hashtag late night crew, man. If you part of the late night crew right now, go ahead and comment down hashtag late night crew in the comments, and you know, let's just see who we got down there. All right, so first order of business, man. I gotta give a shout out to the Squizz. We're gonna switch things up a little bit. Shout out to the Squizz, man. We got some new members. We got 2 new members, man, that just joined, that clicked on that join button down below. I appreciate you guys. We got Ernesto Carbone, new member. We got Ultron Mark 6, new member. We got Floyd Tech Reviews, Marcia Balan, Maynell Wackwitz, Chris Powell, Serena Rogers, Keenan Riggs, Princess AGTV, and Drew the Geek, man. Appreciate y'all, man, for rocking with your boy. We growing this family, man. Again, if you part of the late night crew, go ahead and comment down below hashtag late night crew, and let's get into it. Now, you guys have already seen the title of today's video, man. We're gonna get into that here in a second, but y'all already know we gotta start with our fridge. Now, I'm gonna tell y'all a little story about all of the new added drinks into the fridge right now, y'all. So basically what happened, right? I decided to go ahead and go to Whole Foods, right? Now, Whole Foods is close and nearby. So I checked them out. I said, you know what? I'm going to go slide up in there real quick. And to my surprise, I'm going to be honest, man, Whole Foods is crazy expensive for the stuff that I got. I literally just bought some stuff that's in there right now, man. And literally, y'all, it cost me almost close to $100 of getting this stuff in there. But nonetheless, you know, it's supposed to be healthier. It's supposed to be better for you. So I guess it costs to be healthy here in the States, at least. Anywhere else, you know, y'all don't charge people arm and a leg to try to be healthy. But anyway, we got this drink here, man. It's called Fruit Belt. It's a tart sparkling tonic. It's called Apple Dandelion. It's bitters and honey. I don't know, 45 calories. We gonna see if this is good nonetheless. I don't know, I ain't never tried one. So if it's good, I'll let y'all know. If it's bad, I'm definitely gonna let y'all know. Let's try it. Wow, it's interesting though. Like, that honey comes in on like the very end, and you know what? I kind of rock with these. I'm not even gonna lie, and he's supposed to be good for you too. It's called Fruit Belt, Apple Dandelion. Yo, check them out, yo. I ain't gonna lie, these are kind of fire. So I got an apple honey one, and then I got a strawberry berry one that's in there as well. It's supposed to be a different kind of taste. But anyway, y'all, we back, man, back with another video, back with another episode. All right, so y'all done saw the title of the video. Let's go ahead and get to it. Now, I'm gonna show you guys how to go ahead and get set up with Watchmaker, and then by the end of this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to get free watch faces with Watchmaker, and I'm gonna show you guys how to get this Rolex watch face that I'm wearing right now. By the end of this video, y'all gonna be all set and you're gonna be good to go. So the first thing I need you to do is go to your Galaxy device, and I need you to go ahead into your Google Play Store, and you're gonna download the app called Watchmaker. Now, once you guys get to your the search screen for Watchmaker, now you're gonna see 2 different options. Now, for what I'm gonna be showing you in this video, you can get by with the free version, but I do recommend you guys have the premium version, because what I'm going to show you is more somewhat of a premium feature. So I definitely recommend you guys get that, but I think you can do it with the free version. If you can't do it with the free version, then you already know, download the premium one, and then you're going to be good to go. So download the version onto your device. Then from there, what I need you to do is install the companion app that's going to connect to your Galaxy Watch 4. So the next thing we need to do is open up that application, and then in the top left corner, you're going to see the menu bar. Now, you can either go ahead and install an account, because I do recommend you guys do that, because you know, throughout the series and episodes that I'm going to be showing you guys here on the channel, you know, it's going to make sense for you guys to go ahead and have an account with them. So I recommend you guys do that. But again, it's not necessary. Now, you're going to want to go ahead and go to settings. And then here in settings, you want to go ahead and click on watch, and then you're going to see select watch. Now we're going to tap on that, and this is where you guys are going to go ahead and select Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, because, or the Samsung Galaxy Watch Classic, whichever one you guys have, or if you got a 1, 2, or 3, you could do that, or an active, you can also select those as well. All of these steps is going to work the same. So you're going to go ahead and tap on Galaxy Watch 4. Now here is going to give you the ability to be able to install the companion application. Now this is a crucial step, man, because in order for you guys to get the Galaxy Watch faces from your device, from Watchmaker onto your watch, you're going to need the companion app in order for this to work. So go ahead and click on install companion app, and it's going to go ahead and install this onto your watch. And of course, you got to make sure your watch is already connected to your phone and in sync before you do that. But once you guys have that installed, now to check if you got it installed, you're just going to swipe up from the bottom to get to your app tray, and then here at the bottom you should see the Watchmaker icon, and that's going to let you guys know that you have the companion app onto your Galaxy Watch 4. Now, once you guys have that set up, the next thing I need you guys to do is press and hold on the front of your screen on your Galaxy Watch 4, and then you're going to go ahead and select the icon that looks like a watchmaker. It's going to be a watch face that's going to be for Watchmaker. Now, the reason you're going to need to do this is simply because all of the watch faces that you guys have in sync and that you guys sync up is going to flow into that particular watch face in itself. So anytime you guys sync in a new watch face, it's just going to update that one from the companion app onto your Galaxy Watch 4. So now that we got the Watchmaker app installed, we also got the companion app installed onto our Galaxy Watch 4. We got it all set up. The next thing we need to do is just put some watch faces onto our Galaxy Watch 4. Now, the Rolex one that I'm showing you guys in this video here, I will have a direct link for it down in the description section below. So what I'm going to need you guys to do is go down there on your phone. I need you to go ahead and download that link and just add it to your downloads folder. Now, what I recommend you guys do is go ahead and create like folders for, like, if you have like Rolex. So for this one here, I'm sending you guys a Rolex watch face for free. And so all you got to do is just go ahead and create a folder within your downloads folder, Rolex, and then save it up in there. So that way, anytime you guys are have any type of Tag Heuers or any type of other watch faces that I'm going to show you guys here on the channel, you can just start creating your own folders within there. And so with this one, let's go ahead and create our Rolex watch face folder, so that way we can go ahead and save it in there. Now, once you guys have it downloaded onto your device, the next thing I need you guys to do is go back into Watchmaker. And then from there, in the top right corner, you guys are going to see 3 little dots. You're going to tap on those 3 little dots, and now you're going to see a menu pop up. It's going to say new watch, import watch, and sort order. You want to go ahead and click on import watch. Now, it's going to take you guys to your downloads folder, and if it doesn't, you can just tap on the 3 little bars on the left, and then you can just click on download. Now, we already created a Rolex folder. Let's go ahead and go into the Rolex folder. We're going to tap on that, and the one that you downloaded should be in there. We're just going to tap on it like so. And then boom, it's going to bring it right up into the Watchmaker app. You're going to see the name, you're going to see the watch face itself. Now right here on the screen, you're going to see a green little circle. That's going to be the sync button for it to go ahead and add it to your watch. So let's go ahead and tap on that. We're just going to tap on that, and boom, just like that, y'all, it is sending that watch face directly to our Galaxy Watch 4. And that's pretty much it, man. That's all that really needs to be done in order for you guys to start getting going and get on your way, man, with getting all of your watch faces onto your Galaxy Watch 4 using the Watchmaker app. Now, I will say this, going forward, I am going to be linking all of the watch faces that I'm going to be showing you guys in these videos right here in the description section of these videos, because that way you don't have to go out online and be looking for different websites and all of this kind of stuff like that to try to find these watch faces. Instead, I'm going to have them already picked out for you. The link is going to be directly down in the description section below. All you're going to have to do, download it, to your downloads folder, and then you're gonna go into Watchmaker, import it in, boom, sync it up to your watch, and you're gonna be good to go. See, I'm trying to make the process super easy for y'all because, you know, I know how it can be a headache out here, so I'm trying to make it easy. But nonetheless, man, that pretty much wraps up this video, man. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, if you have any questions or anything like that, let me know down in the comment section below. Now, if you guys haven't checked out my previous top 10 video, I'll link that right up here on the screen somewhere, as well as down in the description section below as well. Other than that, man, always make your move and remember your why. I'll see y'all in the next one. Squad.